Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I want to welcome you in this very lesson for educational technology. My name is Melusi M. Gule. The title of this particular lesson is basically based on the use of YouTube as an innovative and educational technology tool for teaching and learning in higher education. It is one of the important tools that educators need to adapt to, especially since the outbreak of the pandemic COVID-19, which presented the importance of adapting to educational technology in teaching and learning in higher education, which required academic stakeholders in higher educations to harness online learning as a powerful educational tool. So this is very important because it provides opportunities for enhancing the learning environment, regardless of whether or not students can be available for physical classes. But it remains important that at the end of the day, the educational objectives of each and every institution are basically met at the end of the day. So basically life has basically moved to online on a daily basis. All things are usually done online. This is basically as a result of the advancement in technology and innovation, where there is endless technological platforms that one can make use of, which are available and can most definitely be utilized by educators and students for the purposes of teaching and learning in the virtual space that is available out there on our daily basis. It does, of course, serve as a versatile tool for delivering online courses, conducting virtual classes, and offering valuable resources and support to employees. So, these educational technology platforms are quite important because they make learning accessible. They offer a budget-friendly solution when compared to traditional face-to-face learning. So innovative platforms have a diverse range of features that cater for certain needs of students and educators, enhancing employee skills, introducing new concepts, and fostering continuous learning. So it's basically very much important that educators nowadays understand the use of these various platforms that they can make use of in our days for the purpose of teaching and learning, so that at the end of the day, regardless of what may happen, regardless of an outbreak that can come out in the next in the future, but at the end of the day, the objectives of the primary institution are met by the provision of online classes. For this particular lesson, I basically chose to use YouTube as a teaching and learning platform. This is basically one of the most powerful tools for teaching and learning that most educators can possibly make use of. I chose this platform because it's basically free of cost. It can be accessible anytime, anywhere, with possibly rewatching possibilities by the learners. It's very entertaining and it is interactive, as they can be rewatched by the students at any time of their choice, and therefore it enhances the teaching and learning for the students and the instructor as whole. So it is therefore important to make sure that the videos that are used are pretty much aligned with the expected outcomes of this particular module and the processes, and as well as the appropriate audience that may be needed for that particular module. So in my class, I had basically prepared 4 project activities that I can personally give to my students if they were to use this particular platform for teaching and learning.